Welcome to our DIY Tips YouTube channel. On this channel, we provide easy-to-follow tutorials and step-by-step guides for common household repairs and home improvement projects. Whether you're a seasoned DIY or a beginner looking to tackle your first project, our channel is the perfect resource for you. From fixing leaky faucets to building a treehouse, we've got you covered with the tips and tools you need to get the job done. Overview. Our channel is dedicated to providing comprehensive tutorials for a wide range of DIY projects. We cover everything from simple repairs, like fixing a running toilet or patching drywall, to more advanced projects, like installing laminate flooring or building a wood privacy fence. Each video is carefully crafted to provide detailed instructions and guidance, so you can feel confident tackling any project. Features. Our DIY Tips YouTube channel features high-quality videos with clear visuals and easy-to-follow instructions. We take the time to explain each step of the project in detail, so you can easily follow along and complete the project with ease. We also provide a list of necessary materials and tools for each project, so you can be prepared and have everything you need before you begin. Community. We love engaging with our community of DIYers and home improvement enthusiasts. We encourage our viewers to ask questions, provide feedback, and share their own tips and experiences in the comments section of our videos. We also provide additional resources and links in the video description to help you learn more about each project and find the tools and materials you need. Conclusion. If you're looking for a reliable source of DIY tips and tutorials, look no further than our DIY Tips YouTube channel. We're committed to providing you with the guidance and resources you need to tackle any home improvement project with confidence. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video.